I don't know if you can see the changes that have come over me. These past few days I've been afraid that I might drift away. I've been telling old stories, singing songs that make me think about where I come from. And that's the reason why I seem so far away today. So let me tell you that I love you, that I think about you all the time. Caledonia, you're calling me, now I'm going home. And if I shall become a stranger, no, it would make me more than sad. Caledonia's been everything I've ever had. Well, I had moved and kept on moving, proved the points that needed proving, lost the friends that needed losing, found others on